Alright, welcome back to our channel. We are going to do another video on how to install an accessory to your 2023 SEQUOIA. And today we're going to be installing the well visor, 4 doors, and it comes with a hook or a clip. This one right here. I'm just going to wipe the whole car for now. You probably don't have to. Mine is a little bit dusty, so just proper preparation, cleaning everything. And then with the box, it came with 2 alcohol pads and some extra cleaning stuff. So just wipe the area that you're gonna be working on with the alcohol pad that it came with. And we can do the driver's side passenger door as well. Seems like with just one pad that it came with, you can cover all 4 doors. So yeah, I was able to wipe all 4 doors by just using one of these alcohol pads. So the good thing about this visor, since it has the hook or the clips, you can mock it up first and then remove the adhesive tape. Mock it up like that. Making sure it's aligned. And then these 2 pieces right here, or the yellow pieces that it came with, they are clear film. So I think they're supposed, like there, I think they're supposed to go wherever the hook will be, just so you don't scratch the car. Actually just peel a small section. And then once you're happy with the way it sits on your door, you can start pressing the area that don't have the cover for your adhesive anymore. And then I just slowly peel off the rest of the adhesive. And you can take another clean towel and to just kind of press the whole visor. There you go, just so it sticks good. You clean the area really good and use the alcohol pad. The adhesion should be good. They're using the 3M tape, double adhesive tape for the visor. There you go. Okay, so now we're gonna do the passenger rear. And again, you wanna see where the clips is going to be so we can install the film. And then again, peel off your adhesive. Sure everything is lined up. And then start pressing the parts that don't have the tape anymore. Start peeling the rest. And then just firmly press it. This is how it looks like on the car. It's really slim, low profile. It doesn't stick out as much. And it's smoke color or black. You're just going to do the same process for the passenger side. Make sure you clean everything, prep everything. All right, and there you have it, guys. That's how you install your Wells visor on your 2023 Toyota SEQUOIA. Thank you guys again for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.